That's me.
This was just given to me by a friend of mine. He retired to Japan.
Alright, so,
It's our circus cat, Echo Waffle.
I know, Elizabeth Williams Weffel. Our little... Go on, do the ballerina. Do the ballerina. No, get up, Daddy. Come on.